To adjust permissions on Samsung A07, just open the settings, and right now you have to scroll down and go into security and privacy settings. And then you have to go below for for permissions that are located over here. Click here, click start, and now as you can see, you can adjust them by using applications. So for example, you can simply pick like messages application and check for what permissions they get access and what permissions they are using in the past days. But you can also open all permissions, and for example, if I want to remove some permissions like from Google application, I can select don't allow. The same for the messages application. So that's how easily you can do that. Quite simple, right? We can also click here to see all Google permissions, for example, for every application, and that's how we can actually adjust them.